Hi friends, how are you all? Today I'm making emoji pencil topper, and for making this topper you will need thin cardboard, and you will cut two circles with the help of this circle shape tape. You can take any round thing and cut two circles. So one circle you will make this shape, and then for inserting the pencil you will cut it. Now you will cut a long strip for closing this circle. Cut this shape because you will insert your pencil here. So keep cutting, and now we'll paste the strip. Let's paste the strip with the help of hot glue, and now you will close this circle, and it will make a very cute round emoji shape, circle shape. And let's apply hot glue and apply this cardboard strip, and let me tell you, it is a very strong cardboard. It will not break easily. So keep pasting and closing this circle like this. Now cut the extra part. Now we will join another circle with this piece with the help of hot glue. Apply another circle on this topper. Now you can see it's already giving a topper shape. Now we will use glittery foaming sheet, and we will cut two circles same size of the circles. So you will cut the circle and apply on this topper like this. You will need another foaming sheet circle in the yellow color, and you will paste it again. Now you will need another long strip of the foaming sheet to close this pencil topper, and you can cut the extra sheet because then it will give a very exact perfect round shape. So let's measure the strip, long strip. Now we will cut the long strip to close this topper, pencil topper. So let's cut the strip and paste it with the help of hot glue. Take out the sticker and apply the hot glue. So it's very easy and very cute process. Make for your kids and they are gonna love this pencil topper. Hot glue is very helping to make it stick strongly because it will not come out. It will get dry within seconds. So now we will draw mouth and eyes of the emoji. So for covering up neatly, I'm applying one more circle on this pencil topper. Now I will take red foaming sheet and I will draw heart. On this foaming sheet, I'll make the sheet double and cut the heart shape in two pieces. So cut the heart shape in two pieces, and these are the emoji eyes. So you will need scissors, you will need foaming sheet in red color. So let's cut the heart shape, and you got two eyes in heart shape. So let's apply it hot glue with the help of hot glue. One is hair and another is hair. So you will paste it with the help of hot glue because it will be like strong, it will not come out. So now let's draw mouth in black color, the smiley face, the smiley mouth of the emoji. So later on I'll make tongue with the help of red foaming sheet. You will see. Let's attach the mouth with the help of hot glue. And here it is. Now I'm making little cute red tongue, which I will apply with the help of hot glue. You can see it's ready now. I'm inserting my pencil and the pencil topper is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like and share and subscribe. Bye.